research says that 95% of all autistic children never make it beyond high school. A very small number of 3% make it to college, and an even minuscule percentage, 2%, ever get into a job or any kind of profession. It's not that parents don't provide intervention. Then why is it that children are not able to make it big with autism? Hello everybody, my name is Rajni and I'm a special educator with 15 years of work experience and 3 national level awards. And I invite you to join me in my Autism MasterClass happening on the 24th of April, 10 a.m. sharp, where I shall be discussing with you tricks, techniques, methods, how to take your child step by step to the next level and help the kid bloom. Press on the button below and I shall see you at the masterclass.